So you need to cut a circular hole or a curved cut or something in the tile, maybe for a toilet. Well, we'll show you how. Hi, my name is Xavier. I like to help people with their projects, to do it themselves, and save money. There's nothing worse than having a project that's kind of small and nobody wants to do it. Or they will, but it'll cost you. Anyway, that's my mission, to empower you to professionally fix, renovate, or DIY. So let's get started.
Let's not do that again.
Now, here's what we're going to do. I have set up a mock closet flange for a toilet. I'm not going to set a toilet here, but I'm going to show you how I would cut tile around this closet flange. So grab your Sharpie. We're going to measure around here, and we're going to draw our nice little curved section. Here's my cheat. I use something that's about the same size as whatever I need to trace and use it. So, this is how we usually do this. Take it over here to your tile saw. Now, the first way to make curved cuts is use your tile saw and make slits into your tile. Probably about 1/4 inch from each other, like tiny teeth. Depending on how good your table saw is, your tile saw.
I've got to stop drinking before these videos.
It'll go pretty quickly, as you can see here. But that tile saw is pretty crappy. I got it from an ex-girlfriend. And the phone dropped. But I'm not going to edit that out. Why would I do that? So anyway, continue to make slits into your tile. Sometimes they'll break off, which is cool. But when you get enough, you can break them yourself. See? Now, we're not done. So take the saw and grind your contour. See what I'm doing? See that? Now let's see if it fits. Look at that. Awesome. Now, here's my favorite way to do this. Take an angle grinder and use a diamond blade. Now, if you don't have an angle grinder, rent one or borrow it from your neighbor or steal it from your dad's or your mom's toolbox. Anyway, the diamond blades are only about $10 or $15 at the store. But check this out. All you have to do is inside your line, grind your contour. See that? Literally cuts it like butter. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. See that? Way superior. Anyway, you can just grind it down a little bit just to polish it up. And so the trick is to use your saw making slits in your tile. The cheat, use an angle grinder. After that, you're done. Do me a favor, my channel is new. I'm not a possessive person, but I want to keep you. So please hit subscribe, and if you like my humorous teaching style, then you will love my Instagram page. Lastly, if you personally have a problem or dilemma on your project that you need some help with, go to my website. The links are in the description.